Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shiva Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Arch Archangel's Raphael messages for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo ang ating mahagilap? So, ano ang magiging advisors o messages ni Archangel Raphael ang magbibigay sa inyo ng information? So, let's see guys. Umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit Messages. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa iyo ng ating Archangel Michael? Have faith. So, ibig sabihin dito guys something na sinusubukan ng pananampalataya nyo. No? At the same time, there is a do more research. No? Kailangan nyo pang mas marami pang malaman. No? Kailangan nyo pang i-explore yung options or something na may about sa nararamdaman nyo. Mamaya, check up kayo, nagpapatingin kayo, tapos it's all about spirituality kasi there's an have faith, no? And of course, there's a recovery. See? Sinasabi ni Archangel Raphael dito na magkakaroon ka ng recovery in all aspects, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito magkakaroon ka ng kagalingan, no? Sa anumang nararamdaman. So, sinasabi ng have faith dito are tawag dito, Archangel Raphael, thank you for boosting my faith so that I may trust in miracle, no? Kumbaga, talagang maniwala at magtiwala ka kay God. And of course, magtiwala ka sa mga gabay na tumutulong sa atin. So guys, himay-himayin natin ang ibig sabihin yan para malaman natin at para maisakatuparan natin, para malaman natin kung energy mo ba yung nasagap natin. So guys, let's see. For the sign of Virgo. There's a Three of Swords. There's a recovery from the pain. Diba? Naka-recover ka na rin sa mga sakit na nararamdaman mo. Even sa heartache for, kumbaga, love life, for finances. No? Marami kasing pinanguhugutan about dito sa heartache or something na recovery. Mamaya sa finances. Mamaya sa love life, sa career. No? Or something. And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer. Okay. There's an email or messages. Diba? May matatanggap kang message or email daw dyan. At the same time, there's a magician. There's a manifestation. And there's a God's will. Diba? And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning. And of course, fresh start. Diba? Magsisimula ng panibagong chapter ng buhay mo dito. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. Slow and steady. No? Kumaga, mabagal man pero sigurado. Diba? What is additional messages? There's a Nine of Wands. So, there's a final push. No? Near from the success. Napakalapit mo na sa kataparan sa mga pangarap mo. Kailangan mo lang mag-antay. Diba? Have a patient. Kumaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong magtiyaga. What is the Three of Swords in reverse? What is the Three of Swords in reverse? Okay, thank you, Angel Spirit guys. Okay, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough, no? Kailangan mo mature dito. Kung nasaktan ka, let them go or let him go, let her go. Something na kailangan mong pakawalan. So what is the Knight of Cups? Kasi maturity kasi parang napakamataas ang pag-iisip niyan pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, 'di ba? Hindi yan nag-i-stick or kumbaga hindi ito nagbibigay ng ng ego. Yung ego talaga marunong siya talagang mag-balance niyan. At the same time, there is a full card. There's a leap of faith and new beginning coming in for you. So ito yung offer na to. Kumbaga magdadala sa iyo ng bagong eksena. So what is the Magician? What is the Magician? The Magician represents a Nine of Pentacles. Kumbaga, there's a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, talagang mukhang magiging masagana ang buhay mo dito. Mukhang, the Magician kasi, it's a willpower by God. So, sinasabi dito, may power talaga, no? ni God na ibinibigay sa'yo dito na mukhang uulanin ka na ng biyaya. And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning and new manifestation. May mga bagay na mamamanifest ka dito. May mga bagay na may sasakatuparan ka. May mga bagay na makukuha ka. So, what is the Nine of Wands? There's an Eight of Cups. See? Kumbaga, walking away from this situation or let them go and moving on, no? Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo naman kontrolado. At the same time, there is a Ten of Swords in reverse. So, everything is fine. Kumbaga, okay ka, no? Kumbaga, naka-recover ka na dito sa sakit, no? At paghihirap or mga pinagdaanan mo this past few months or this past few years, no? Kumbaga, ang inaantay mo na lang dito yung final decision or final push. So, what is the Three of Swords in the Emperor? There's an Hermit card. So, there's a soul searching. Parang, dahil sa nangyari, kumbaga, nakihanap mo na yung sarili mo. Nakita mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, nakita mo yung bigger feature of yourself, eh. Kumbaga, nakita mo yung sarili mo na, dapat hindi ka ganito, dapat hindi ka ganyan. Dapat ikaw yung, ikaw yung nagko-control sa eksena mo. So, what is the Nine of Cups and the Fool card? So, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news coming in for you. May magandang balita na nag-aantay sa'yo dito. At the same time, what is the Magician and the Nine of Pentacles? There's the World card. So, may magiging maganda ang buhay mo dito. Kumbaga, sinasabi in all aspect, papasabugan ka ng isang nag-uumapaw na biyaya. With the Magician, represent the World card. Sinasabi dito, there's a travel, communication, and of course, there's a lot of success and recognitions. So, what is the Ace of Wands and Page of Pentacles? So, there's a judgment call. So, sinasabi dito, there's a wake-up call or there's an awakening for you na, kumbaga, bigla ka nagising sa katotohanan na kailangan mo na kailangan mo na i-set yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kailangan mo malaman, kailangan mo magsimula, kailangan mong gawin yung ganito, kailangan mong mabili yung ganito, or kailangan mo makuha yung ganito, or something, di ba? Or it's either bahay, lupa, sasakyan, or anything na magbibigay sa iyo ng benefits, no? Kumbaga, bigla ka nagising sa katotohanan sa bangungot na nakaraan. So, what is the Nine of Wands and the Eight of Cups? Okay, there's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. So, moving on, slow and steady, kalma lang. Kumbaga, at least sigurado, kaya hindi naman niya mabibigla na makalimutan or something na umalis ka kagad sa situation. Kumbaga, slowly but surely. And of course, the Six of Swords is trouble or transition. Nine of Wands and the everything is fine is Queen of Cups, healing. Magkakaroon ka raw ng healing dito. Kaya pala there's a recovery dito. At the same time, dalagang sinasabihan ka ng have faith, no? Magtiwala ka kay God. Magtiwala ka sa ating angels guides. Either kay Seven Dark Angels. So let's see what is the overall. What is the overall? The Empress card. Be into you. Maging kumbaga sinasabi dito na ipakita mo yung talagang yung ikaw talaga, yung show the world the real you. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups, there's a wish fulfillment, no? Maisa sa katuparan mo itong mga pangarap mo. There's a devil energy. Kumbaga, may taong gumawa sa iyo ng isang eksena dito na parang kinulong ka sa iyo, kumbaga sa situation or sa abandonment, no? There's a devil energy dito na you're feeling stuck. Some of you may feeling stuck pa rin dito. Pero ang sinasabi sa dito ni Archangel Raphael, kumbaga illusions yan, guys, no? Kumbaga egos or something na nibibigay sa iyo ng blockages or kumbaga stuck is your thoughts, no? Yung negative thoughts mo, yan yung naghahatak sa iyo. Kaya hindi ka nakakaalis sa situation. And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. Tignan mo yung bigger feature of yourself. Huwag yung mga bagay na mahal mo, sinaktan ka, gato ganyan, or something na niloko ka, gato ganyan. Hindi dapat doon mo tinitingnan. Tinitingnan mo dapat kung bakit nangyari yon at bakit, kumbaga, ano yung magiging magandang eksena sa buhay mo, no? After, no? Tignan mo yung bigger feature of yourself. So, let's see, what is additional outcome? There's the Lover's card. So, it means may taong nakalaan para sa iyo, no? Kumaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's maging practical ka and of course, kumaga, good sense of entrepreneur or finances. No? Resource of income. Kailangan mag-focus ka or may taong matatagpuan ka na may tutulong sa'yo about sa finances. So, let's see, what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a stability, flow, no? Sumabay ka sa agos. At the same time, there is third eye, clarity. Nagkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan, and there's a toxicities. Eh yung toxicities sa sinasabi, yung pattern na yun, is your negative thoughts. Yung iniisip mo na ego mo, yung pride or something na nagbibigay ng toxicity sa'yo, yung negative thoughts, yun yung kailangan alisin mo. Mag-cleansing ka ha, para ma-rejuvenate yung knowledge and of course yung thoughts mo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? There's a camera. So, there's learn from the past, no? Kailangan matuto ka na about sa nakaraan. And of course, there's a boat, no? There's a closure issues. So, kailangan mo na raw tapusin yung issues na yon. At the same time, there's a phoenix, no? Meron dito sinasabi na about sa phoenix is, kumbaga, the phoenix is kumbaga, death from the ash, death from, there's a transformation, no? Kumbaga, there's a transformation. Kumbaga, there's revert, no? Revert siya. Kumbaga, nabuhay siya ulit sa, kumbaga, namatay siya sa eksena na yun, tapos biglang ulit nabuhay, no? Ganun siya. May goodness. Nasa dulo ng dila ko. Oh my God. Parang sinasabi dito na pagkatapos mong mamatay sa eksena na yan, kapag tapos mo malugmok or mabaon sa eksena na yan, kumbaga gagawa ng pagkakataon si God na buhayin ka ulit sa eksena na panibago, no? Kaya sinasabi dito, have faith, magtiwala ka, and do more research, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pang malaman sa buhay mo. And of course, at the end of the time, kapag nalaman mo na yon, there's a recovery, makaka-recover ka na. And of course, para pagtatawanan mo na lang yung mga nangyari from the past. Rising from the ashes. Ayun, the phoenix is rising from the ashes. 'Di ba? Muling mamumukadkad pagkatapos ng 'di ba? Pagka-shaggy. And of course, there's a forgiveness. Hindi mo kailangan bitbitin yung sakit or yung mga bagay na naranasan mo na yan. Kumbaga, it's a part of your opportunity or knowledge, 'di ba? Na natutunan mo sa buhay. So, what is additional messages? At the same time, there is a survival. You are being survivor at the same time. Diba? At least nakaligtas ka at nakaalis ka sa situation mo. And of course, there is an alternative courses by choices, no? Ikaw ang mamimili o ikaw yung gagawa ng kung ano talaga or kung saan ka talaga ilalagay ng situation mo. And of course, there is a spirituality. Kumaga, ang lakas ng involvement dito na about sa spirituality. No? There's a meditation and of course, there's a contemplate. Kailangan mo magdasal at kailangan mong mag-purification, mag-release or detoxification ng iyong energy. So, kailangan mo mag-cleansing, guys, ha? Kailangan mo mag-cleansing. Ang dami mo ng toxic ditong energy. Nakakapag-isip ka na ng mga nega. So, what is a romance angels? What is a romance angels? Make the effort. So, kailangan mo ng effort pagdating sa love life. And flirt, kailangan mong humarot, no? Kailangan mo humarot kung gusto mo magkaroon ng love life at the same time. So, what is the energy? So, what is the energy? So, what is the energy? There's an attachment. Mabilis ka kasi ma-attach, ang bilis mo ma-fall, no? At the same time, there is a door to romance. So, may pintuan talaga para sa pag-ibig sa'yo. So, huwag kang mag-alala, no? Kaakibat kasi ng Virgo ang masaktan, diba? And of course, sinasabi dito, victory, no? Magtatagumpay ka. Huwag kang mag-alala sa larangan na gusto mo. Sa pag-ibig, sa, kumbaga, career, no? Huwag kang mag-alala, magtatagumpay ka. So, what is the chakra? Chakra is victim. Biktima ka lang, 'di ba? Naging biktima ka lang ng mga taong mapanakit. And of course, there's an isolation. Kumaga kailangan mo nang kumawala, no? Sa negative thoughts mo na 'yan. Okay, what is additional messages for Archangel Michael? So, this situation is already resolved. So, some of you nasolusyonan na ang mga problema pinagdaanan or pinagdadaanan pa rin until now. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Angel Spirit. Okay, so let's see. Additional messages. Your dreams need a practical plan. So, kailangan mo maging practical dito. At the same time, and of course, there's a heart desire, no? Kailangan sundin mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng puso mo. And of course, there's a study, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo na matutunan sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. So, what is that Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes? And of course, sinasabi dito, the Comforter which is the Holy Spirit, when the Father will send in my name, He shall teach you all things. So, ibig sabihin dito, may ginagawa si God na instrumento sa buhay mo na makakatulong sa'yo at may mga bagay na magbibigay ng lessons sa'yo. So, tanggapin mo yung mga bagay na yan kasi it's a part of your journey na matutunan lahat ng bagay. So, may mga bagay na masasaktan ka, may mga bagay na mahihirapan ka. Kumbaga, parte yan ng plano ni God. So, what is the angel's number? There's a 15. So, let's see. I am a wise. So, your love for others is a powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. You are curious and social nature. Bring you in a contact with a variety of people. All who would benefit from you warm heart felt words of wisdom. So, maging wais ka daw dito, ha? Maging wais ka sa larangan ng kung ano man ang kinagagalawan mo. Pagdating sa pag-ibig, pagdating sa career, be wise, no? Maging matalino ka na this time. So, what is the messages of life? A door to the infinite. At my heart center, there is door that leads to the infinite today. I visit my heart center and open the door. As I enter, experience a deep sense of serenity. I understand that I am here, eternal, and I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond my life challenges to the highest level of my existence. I know now that my inner light is infinite. So, sinasabi dito na hindi ka masisirang ng nino man at ng anuman. So, dito pinapalakas at pinapatibay ka lang daw dito. Kumbaga, walang sino man ang walang anuman ang uri ng toxicities ang makakapagdurog sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring kumbaga pinapatibay at pinalalakas ka lang niya. Para sa susunod na harapin mo, mas matibay at mas malakas ka na. You are being a warrior of your journey. So guys, this reading is Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!